Today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I'm gonna be more crafty than artsy. I want to draw a couple Christmas cards for people in my family, 2 specific people in my family. And Christmas is here. I wish autumn would last longer, but Christmas is in like 30-ish days. So I just want to make sure that I have it done and I don't want to rush it. So I'm gonna have fun and draw those Christmas cards. I've done a couple sketches, like a couple little things here, a few other things here. And I'm using this creative card set. So it comes with a card like this with an envelope. It's really nice. But I'm not gonna draw or paint directly on the card just because if I mess up, I don't want to ruin a card. What I'm planning to do is I took some nice watercolor paper here, thick card paper, and I'm gonna paint or draw my design on it. And if I'm satisfied with it, then I'm gonna overlay this paper on top of the card here. It's gonna look nice and there's gonna be a lot less pressure in case I make mistakes. I have glitters. I think I might try colored pencils. I might mix a little bit of paint as well. So it's different than my abstract stuff, but it's gonna be fun.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running, there is no way trying. You better loosen your belts. Drinking hot wine by the fire, don't care of anything else. It's Christmas.
Colored pencil is really hard on the wrist, on the hand. I've never really worked with them and it's really not something I think I would work with on the regular basis. Now I want to put some magical Christmas glitter on top of this. I'm gonna use matte medium as the binder, like the glue, because it's gonna dry transparent. Then I'll put a little bit of glitter everywhere.
There's nobody at the door. You said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present, come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow, lighting a light with you. Choirs will sing and the joy bells will ring. Nobody loves you as much as I do. It's a wonderful feeling from floor to the ceiling. It is that time of the year, drinking hot wine by the fire. Here on our own, we got nothing to fear. It's Christmas and some kind of love, my friend. Pick up some candy canes.
Glitter is no joke. There's glitter everywhere, but I'm really glad about the result. It worked really well, even though it's very messy. The result is very festive, so that's what I wanted. I'm gonna use glitter for the second card as well. Now all I wanna do is write Merry Christmas in French, Joyeux Noël. And what I did was trace on the computer from a nice font because I don't wanna be bothered trying to have a nice even font because my handwriting is not great. And this is festive and nice. It'll do the job. Let's keep working.
Everything glistens and everything's bright. everyone's happy and spirits are light. I am sitting here thinking, alone with my drink, as I do this time of the year. Do you remember when love was around, when we were aglow, the talk of the town? When I'm sitting here drinking, I can't help but think about you, about us, as I do this time of the year. I remember me being with you. Was that just a dream that never came true? I am sitting here sinking, drink after drink, as I do this time of the year. So easily strays. I thought I was trying to forget you. I must have forgotten. I am lost in my memories, pouring the hours away. Say, do you remember we used to be near? You don't recall, you forgot as I'd feared. I don't blame you if memory fails you, but I must admit I am thinking of you every minute, each hour.
I think the cards turned out really well, better than I expected. Therefore, two people that are very special to me. I haven't been able to hang out with them because of everything that's happened the last couple of years, but I wanted to put my heart in the cards and tell them how much I love them. So I'm super satisfied with how they look. I like them. Obviously, I had a card kit with envelopes and all that already pre-made, but you could use a thick, nice paper and fold it in two. That'll do the job for sure. And I personally like the security of creating my design on a separate piece of paper, a nice watercolor paper, and then sticking it onto the card, and it looks really nice as well. And if you're not super confident in your illustration abilities, like I'm not a really great illustrator, one good way to go about it is to go in the royalty-free icons, like emojis websites, where you can download free emojis that are royalty free and all that. There's a bunch of illustrations that are very simple designs that you can put your own stamp on, like this Christmas tree. The concept of the colors and all that was my idea, but the way the tree was designed in a very simple way, I found it online. This is obviously my Lennox, but all this to say that there's very simple designs that anybody can achieve, and putting glitters makes everything more Christmassy. So I fully recommend glitters. Just the fact that Lennox was was like a simple illustration that didn't feel that Christmassy. Once I put a bunch of glitter on the hat and a little bit of snow glitter in the background, full Christmas mode. If you've missed me painting this painting of Lennox, you can go watch it there if you'd like more inspiration, and I will see you in just a few days for another one. Thanks so much for watching.